In this video, we will talk about how to solve two-step equations. The first step will be to undo any addition or subtraction. And the second step will be to undo any multiplying or dividing. For the first one you see on the screen, we have negative 7x minus 3 is equal to 11. I'm going to undo any addition or subtraction I see first. That means I'm going to focus on the minus 3. The opposite of minus 3 would be plus 3. So whatever I do to one side of the equation, I will also do to the other side. My leftover equation will be negative 7x, because the minus 3 plus 3 will cancel out, and then is equal to 11 plus 3, which is 14. Next, I will show my second step of undoing any multiplying or dividing. Since I see multiplying with negative 7 and x, I will divide both sides by negative 7. The negative 7's cancel out, so all that's left is x is equal to negative 2. To check my answer, I can plug it back into the original equation and make sure it makes the sentence true. For the next problem, I see 5y minus 5 is equal to 20. Again, I will start off by showing any addition or subtraction. Since I see minus 5, I will show plus 5 to both sides. The minus 5 plus 5 will cancel out, so all that's left is 5y is equal to 25. Then I will show my second step of undoing any multiplying or dividing. Because I see multiplication, I will divide both sides by 5. Y is equal to 25 divided by 5, which is 5. These two equations look a little different, but they will still be solved in the same two steps. The first step, I will look for any undoing, any addition or subtraction. And the first one I see plus 4, so I will subtract 4 from both sides. The plus 4 minus 4 will cancel out, so all that's left is g over negative 3 is equal to 8 minus 4, which is 4. With this one, g over negative 3 means to divide, and the opposite of dividing is multiplying, so I will need to multiply both sides by negative 3. These negative 3's will cancel out, so all that's left is g is equal to 4 times negative 3, which is negative 12. Again, I can plug in my solution back into the original equation to check my work. Negative 12 divided by negative 3 is 4, and 4 plus 4 equals 8. With the second one on this side, again, I will add the minus 7 to undo any addition or subtraction to both sides. All that's left will be p over 5. The minus 7 plus 7 will cancel out, and then 33 plus 7 is equal to 40. Last but not least, I will undo any multiplying or dividing, and since p over 5 means p divided by 5, I will multiply both sides by 5 to undo it. The 5's will cancel out, so all that's left will be p is equal to 40 times 5, which is equal to 200.